ooh, these are fancy sunglasses. Are these juicy before? These are nice. I love them.
Vintage, juicy.
This is so can. I love this. This is so me. But I had an idea for Warby Parker. They came on. I was just talking about them, or they were coming in our building, and I was waiting online to go to Starbucks or something, or coffee somewhere, and I was spinning my glasses, and I go, hey, I wonder if what if someone put like a ball bearing thing in the arm of the glass and gave like a good whip to it when you spun it around? So I invented a pair of sunglasses called Spinnies, and
Is that true?
yeah, and we sold out.
Sold?
Yeah, we sold out. We made them Warby Parker, and every one of my proceeds, all the money went to this charity that sent eye doctors to schools to get kids' eyes checked. And if they had problems, they would give them 2 pairs of glasses, one for school and one that went home with them.
Oh.
And it was the raddest thing ever, but that was just a cool, weird idea to do. Thank you for this.